Hi, my name is Giorgio Gerardi and I live in Italy.
I filmed clothes and edited the video using graphic software. Clothes are a subject that has always fascinated me. They are something that constantly change, reminding us of the continuous evolution of reality, in which nothing is immobile. Thank you.